of maximum power transfer voltage, what's the drop across? Okay, what is the drop across? That means the voltage drop. Okay, okay. So for this one, what does it mean? If you go for a drop, you have to consider drop means you can take any voltage, any maximum voltage. Okay, so maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, maximum power transfer theorem you have to consider. So here in that maximum power theorem, because this RL is the load resistance should be equal to Thevenin resistance. So for this things you have to take the RL should be equal to R Thevenin. Okay, and for this maximum power, you know that P maximum. Okay, this is the rule actually. P max is equal to V Thevenin. Okay, V Thevenin the whole square. You know that before that I say the formula P is equal to VI. Is it right? And here I is equal to V by R. That's formula. So if you just make a substitution here means V into the V square divided by R. Okay. So that V square available here, R you have to consider 4 into R Thevenin. So as per the maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, that's all. Okay. So now I go for this calculation. Since R is equal to R Thevenin. So let me just consider. So you have to take this as 4 with right. I can rewrite as VTH the whole square divided by 2 into RL into 2 into R Thevenin. Okay, likewise you can consider. Otherwise, I can take like R Thevenin because you know RL and R Thevenin both are same. Okay, already I have just mentioned here RL and R Thevenin both are same. So I can redraw the circuit here. So I can have plus minus of the voltage source, and then I have the one more resistor. This is the load resistor. So I can take this as 2 ohm and this also 2 ohm. Okay, so both are same. Right? If you just multiply means it will become just the R Thevenin. This is R, yeah, this is form. So now I can make the calculation VL. Okay, so they have considered the VL as the voltage drop across the RL means VL across R. So VL is equal to this is 5 its own voltage 5 into what's an opposite? Is it 2 because you want to find this one, right? So you have to put 2 divided by these both are in series, right? These both are in series. So 2 plus 2 this is equal to 5 into 2 divided by 4. Is it right? So you have to consider 2 that's equal to 2.5. Okay, so I have to select 2.5. Now I just write shortcut. Okay, one more thing is the shortcut. Usually shortcut trick what the thing means. If you find the because I'm going to find the voltage division, right? So if I just have the voltage division, yeah, because voltages having drop means you can have the first voltage and second have some other change division rule. So for this MMPT, doesn't mean for this MPPT. MPPT means for maximum power. MPPT means maximum power transfer theorem. So the voltage, just make here voltage across load. Okay, across load is equal to half of the supply voltage. Half of the supply voltage. So that's equal to half of supply voltage. Half into supply voltage is 5. Is it right? Supply voltage is 5. So 5 which is equal to 2.5. Simply you can just make it. So answer is 2.5. I'm going to say circuit review. Circuit the circuit what we have mentioned is maximum power transfer theorem. Is it right? And then RL, R Thevenin. So maximum transfer RL equal to R Thevenin. Okay. And then P max equal to V Thevenin square by 4 articulation. The 4 and the V எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னா P is equal to V கொடுப்பாங்க, I equal to VBR கொடுப்பாங்க, அப்படி அந்த ஃபார்மேட்ல வந்துட்டு இருக்கும். Okay. So that is equal to in the method. So V Thevenin whole square divided by the 2 and the 4 ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். அதை அப்படியே டிரா பண்ணிக்கிறேன். டிரா பண்ணும்போது VL அதை கன்சிடர் பண்ண இந்த வழியா வர்ற லோட்ல வர்ற வோல்டேஜ் VL equal to அதுக்கு இட்ஸ் ஓன் வோல்டேஜ் சப்ளை வோல்டேஜ் இன்ட்டு எதுக்கு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம் இந்த 2 தானே அதை மேலே தூக்கி போட்டு மீதி எல்லாம் ரெஸ்ட் ஆட் பண்ணோம். மீதி 2 ரெஸ்ட் இருக்குது, அதுவும் 2 சீரிஸ் இருக்குது, 2 ஆட் பண்ணோம். ஈக்குவல் 2.5 இவ்வளோ ஆன்சர். ஷார்ட்கட்டில் பார்க்கும்போதுன்னா இந்த மேக்ஸிமம் பவர் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் தியரம் ரூல் படி என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அதாவது நோட் வோல்டேஜ் வந்து ஈக்குவல் டு ஹாஃப் ஆஃப் த சப்ளை வோல்டேஜ். அவ்வளோதான், ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். சரியா, இதோட நமக்கு அதை கிளியர் எல்லாம் முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஓகே ஓகே, அதான் பார்த்து